But we're going to go ahead and discuss what our favorite type of matches are.
First, let's just throw some out here. Before we say which one's our favorite, let's just throw some out.
Okay, well, how about...
That might not make the list.
How about a little bit appetizer? Which ones do we absolutely fucking hate?
How about the Punjabi prison match?
Oh my god. That was horrible. The Great Khali versus Batista?
Yeah.
How about the Inferno match?
Oh yeah, that's another bad
That just
one.
made no sense. Every time somebody would slam onto the ring, flames would rise, and that's it. People couldn't see shit inside.
I personally, not a big fan of the buried alive or casket matches.
Yeah, that's a little bit too far.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else is there that absolutely are ridiculous? How about, okay, I as much as I love watching the divas undress, I did not like watching pillow fights.
Yeah, pillow fights are ridiculous.
It absolutely made no sense.
Most of the diva gimmick matches didn't make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I'm glad they got rid of that, but I do wish that they'd show a little bit more skin. Miss Tessamaka, are you listening?
She's not a diva.
Well, she's a knockout.
She's a knockout.
She looks a little malita in the face.
Oh, man.
But the booty is, I could eat soup out of that booty.
Let's go on.
Okay.
What other matches
Are pretty much horrible.
Well, okay.
Oh, no. Okay, I got one that beats the cake. What
beats
about
the cake?
It takes the cake. I'm sorry, it takes the cake. What about that fucking match they had in WCW where they had a piñata on a pole match?
Oh, yeah.
That was absolutely horrible and degrading to us.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. There was also that one match in WCW where they had like 17 rings stacked one on top of another.
Was it
you
the
had to make your way
three
up
stages
to,
of doom or something?
I don't remember what it was called. I just
Yeah.
remember you had to climb to the top ring. How the hell could the live audience even see the top?
Okay, I got one for you, and this one is actually on the Best of Starrcade DVD. It was during Halloween Havoc, I believe, and one of their pay-per-views in the old school WCW. They had an electric chair in the middle of the ring. I think I
remember that.
The loser had to be put in through there, and you had to get electrically shocked.
Yeah, sure. That was a good one.
That was horrible.
That was an awesome one.
So there are so many to name of these gimmick matches that we hate, but which ones do we actually like?
I think you should start this discussion.
Okay, I'll tell you one that I kind of like. I like the idea of the Elimination Chamber. Okay, Elimination Chamber is exciting. Not necessarily because of the thing that it's taken place in, but the excitement because it has a little bit of a surprise factor.
Sure.
You don't know who's going to come out next. A lot of action can be done inside that steel cage. You know, a lot of flying, a lot of body slamming onto the grates. It really looks cool. So I've always personally been a fan of the Elimination Chamber. What about you?
Well, here's the thing, Rick. As we were talking about this, I realized there's a couple of matches in there that I really used to love. And like when they had these matches, I would really get crazy about them. And lately, they just don't seem as big anymore.
Okay.
And one of them is, and I think this is very appropriate because of the timing, the Hell in the Cell match.
Yeah.
I used to get really psyched about Hell in the Cell because it was different, it was unusual, and something big was going to happen.
Do you think it's been overdone too much?
Yes, I absolutely think it's been overdone. And not only that, they've kind of pushed it way to the top limits that it can go, and I just don't think it can go any further without somebody actually dying.
Good point. Well, with that being said, one of my also favorite types of matches, which I think just doesn't have that kind of oomph anymore, is the ladder match.
Oh, that was the next one I was going to say. You took that right out of my brain.
Okay, that ladder match, which was made special by Shawn Michaels and Razor Ramon.
Which was awesome.
Has been used a little bit too much, okay? Yeah. And it doesn't seem like too much like the ladder is playing an important part of the match, but it seems like the wrestlers nowadays are trying to use it as some kind of stunt.
Yeah.
They're trying to make it as part of their moves instead of actually using it for a real purpose. Psychology, folks. Psychology.
All right.
So I like the ladder match.
You like the ladder match?
Yes.
I